Bro, you need to pull it together. You've got a lot of work to do.
I do?
Let's start with the basics. First off, you need new clothes. Then you need to go to a safe place and take Saeed to somebody you trust. You getting all this?
Yeah.
Then get to it. And stay away from the cops. Do not get arrested.
Thanks, Anastasia.
Oh yeah, Libby says hi.
Well, you heard her?
Hey, it's me, your skin. Some cleansers get us clean, but take my moisture. I'm creating a balanced clean with CeraVe. CeraVe cleansers, developed
You know
for
what I
dermatologists,
recall
help me
right
maintain my moisture
about
balance.
watching this
With
picture.
hyaluronic acid, known to attract moisture.
Because I don't
Plus 3 essential
understand
ceramides to help
why
restore my natural barrier. With CeraVe,
the
cleansing
people
can
who
be about
actually
giving,
ordered
not
the
just
retakes
taking. So we can
have
be
already
healthy
received
people
them.
clean.
Yeah, it's
CeraVe
saying
cleanse.
online
CeraVe
that
cleansers from the
until all the
#1
proofs come
dermatologist
back, they
recommended
can't
skincare
send
brand.
us our order.
Yeah, that's weird.
I am excited.